Welcome to the Banker's Bar in the heart of Europe, in the home of the Tipsy Bankers who search for forgotten cocktail recipes from different eras every day. Today we will look at an old Japanese method of drinking whiskey, Mizuwari. First of all, Yarda, our Tipsy Banker, had to read up on the history of Japanese whiskey, and where else to start than with Nikka whiskey. In 1918, young Masataka Taketsuru went to Scotland to understand the secret of whiskey. He returned to Japan not only with his new love Rita, but also with the knowledge that started the journey of Japanese whiskey. That delicious drink, Mizuwari. Okay, let's go. First, we have to process the ice so that it fits perfectly in the glass. A little bit of show won't hurt. See, Erda? Let's chill the glass so it's perfectly chilled. Pour the water from the glass. And now we finally add something sharper. Whiskey. Yarda specifically pours Nikka coffee malt whiskey for its smooth notes of citrus, coffee and vanilla. Yarda is mixing and counting the revolutions of the mixing spoon.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You might think he is crazy, but he is not. According to tradition, you should turn the mixing spoon 17 times in total. That's how many revolutions you need for the perfect combination of whiskey, ice and water. Mizuwari is a popular way of drinking spirits in Japan. Usually about 2 parts cold water is mixing with 1 part spirit and ice cube. The practice comes from the Japanese traditions of drinking shock, but it's also a very popular way of drinking whiskey.